Question whether you should be cleaning your solar panels from snow. As you may see, there is quite a lot of snow around, right? But you see, there is not much snow on the panels, and it keeps falling down. The thing is, it has the proper angle. It's 43 degrees Celsius. Oh, not Celsius. It's just 43 degrees tilt from the ground. However, here it's 30 on this line. And as you may see, let me try to show it to you. There is way more snow on it. It's not going down like that. So eventually, this kind of angle is better for the summertime, but it's not that good for winter time. However, if you switch to 33 degrees, just slightly more, you see, not that many, not that much snow. And yeah, that's basically what happens with all the places where there are panels, solar panels, I mean. And yeah, let's take a look. Oh, it already goes down. On this side of the house, yeah, already it's still same 33 degrees because like the roof has the same angle, of course. And yeah, here we don't have much snow, so it will go down on its own, and you don't have to get up there, find some brush stick, I don't know, and try to clean it yourself, and not to kill yourself actually, because that's the problem in this case. However, for pieces like this piece of station, which is the so-called ground-based, not the rooftop mounted, eventually you may have to think about some kind of cleaning, because, well, it goes down a little bit, as you may see, but not that good as you may actually want. So some pieces are actually better, some are not. It just like depends. Still a lot of snow. Mainly it depends on the angle. You may want to use the changing angle on this kind of systems. However, this makes it more complicated construction. But in case if you are living completely off-grid, I would even consider having a solar tracker, which allows you to basically pan and tilt your solar system as much as you like, up to 90 degrees. So you may easily just like turn it, get the snow out, and then put it on a solar tracking mode. In my case, the east is over there, so the whole line is south is actually a little bit of this, so it's rotated 20 degrees to the east, which is not a big issue because it starts earlier and it finishes production at basically the same time, whether it's south based or west based. But yeah, this is it about the angles of the solar for whatever, house mounted or rooftop mounted or the base mount or the standing ground mounted system. Just consider something that is over 40, better even 45, if you don't have any strong winds in the area, and then it will be absolutely okay. Yeah, many of you also asked the thing, how actually this works, because it seems like a huge overlay. Yeah, no, not really, it's not a huge one. Look here. This is even bigger. Way bigger. It's quarter panel that it's hanging. And the problem is, there is no problem with it. Absolutely no. It withstands absolutely all the snow. It withstands absolutely all the winds, because, as you may have seen on this, it overhands 100%. You see? So yeah, no issue with that, absolutely. And you may use, like, the thing is that you don't have to have your layout being going over this piece, because there the winds are really crazy. But for sides, no issue. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like, and let me know if there are any more topics you want to see about.